Are you trying to improve your credit score but feel like you're doing everything right and still not seeing results? In this video, I'm going to share 5 practical ways to strengthen your credit profile and position yourself for better funding opportunities. First, focus on your credit utilization. This is the percentage of available credit you're using. Experts generally recommend keeping utilization below 30%, but if you want the best results, aim for under 10% whenever possible. Second, make every payment on time. Payment history remains one of the most important factors in your credit score. Even one late payment can have a significant impact. Third, check your credit reports regularly. Errors happen more often than many people realize. Reviewing your reports can help you identify inaccurate balances, duplicate accounts, or outdated negative information that may be hurting your score. Fourth, avoid opening too many new credit accounts within a short period. Multiple inquiries can temporarily lower your score and may signal risk to lenders. Fifth, keep older accounts open whenever possible. The length of your credit history plays a role in your overall score, and older accounts can help strengthen your profile. The biggest mistake people make is focusing only on paying off debt. While that's important, lenders also evaluate your payment history, credit utilization, account age, credit mix, and recent inquiries. Improving your credit score takes consistency, but small actions over time can create significant results. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is working on improving their credit. For more tips on personal credit, business credit, and funding readiness, follow this channel. I'm Dennis Thompson, and I'll see you in the next video.